Okay, this is the home stretch, last batch of pages, and I'm also punching through the back cover, which is a little tough, but not impossible. All right, and I'm going to trim off that excess paper. If you don't have a good metal ruler, I will say they are very handy. Whoops. Of course, I went off the edge there a little bit. That's all right. Can always redo. All right. Plus that cover is a little thicker, so there we go. Now it's loosened up. And I'll probably stash that template somewhere, just in case I want to make extra pages for my book. And there we go. We've got all the holes punched, and it's ready to go in the binder.